right? So good evening. So this video is actually to teach you how to request or properly request a letter of cancellation sa application na na-submit. So this happens especially if, for example, na-submit na ninyo ang policy and then kailangan siya i-cancel due to reasons nga si client has changed his or her mind, or need lang talaga i-cancel or na mali pag-submit or nga ang mga scenario. So what we have to do is mag-email ta. And of course, kailangan na itong i-prepare ang letter. For example, kaning letter for attachment. So pwede naman i-pause nga video para makita ninyo ang sample nga letter nga gihimo ni Ma'am Marivic. So in the letter, dito na makita of course the date and FWD Life Insurance Corp. Okay ra kayo basta neat lang siya, klaro ug dili siya hugaw no nga pagkahimo. Then it should be signed by the policy owner or the policy insured, and then of course noted by you as the financial wealth planner. So take note no in making an email, ang standard format always is for the subject is this one no, kaning PN, then the policy number, for example in this case 41563098, then the name of the policy owner, then unsa nga policy, then unsay tuyo no. So in this case PN, then the number, then the policy owner Jason Ryle, unsa nga policy set for tomorrow, and then what's the purpose, it's for the cancellation of policy. Okay, and of course asa nyo i-send is to Agency Connect, then naka-CC ko, and then of course no the dali ra gud kayo no yung ang iyang for example ang iyang body, then attach na yung letter. So for example no mag-compose ta, then of course ang to Agency Connect. So kaning Agency Connect no, take note Agency Connect .ph@fwd.com na. Then ang ikaduha is the UW compliance no, take note gyud. Then i-click nimo ning arrow, kaning arrow nga sa kilid para makita nimo ang CC. Then sa CC is ako no, davekyle54@gmail.com. Then kaning subject no mo nito ingon ako sa inyo ha na PN, then the number so ato lang butang no katong 41 asa nga kuanta sa client mo policy number, then who is the policy owner, sample si Kyle Perez, then unsa nga policy, then set for health for example, and then unsay purpose to cancellation of application. Okay, then for the body, then of course good day, then I would like no kamo na paigo ana, then just make it as formal as possible, and then the attachment kaning pinakataas kani, then of course katong letter nga gisulat is gipicture, assuming nga gipicturean na to nyo man, then attach na yon letter. So the picture lang man siya kahulyan, then ma-attach mo na yung attach ana, assuming nga kani nga pictures katong letter nga signed the client, then send na dahil siya. Okay, so that's it.